Let's talk about I-cords and how to knit them. So an I-cord is basically a thin, narrow tube of knitting that's worked in the round. They're often used as decorative elements, edgings, ties or loops for knit or crochet garments and other projects. Perhaps you've seen them, perhaps you've always wondered. It's a little bit like a shoelace almost. Now it's really easy to make. What I've done here is I've got 2 double pointed needles, 3.5mm, and a DK weight yarn. I've cast on 3 stitches and then I'm simply working in knit stitch across those 3 stitches without turning. So when I reach the end of the row, as you'll see here, I simply slide the stitches to the other end of the needle instead of turning, and that keeps things in the round on a smaller scale. Now I try to keep the central stitch nice and tight so I don't have any wobbly bits, and that's all there is to it. You carry on until you reach the length you need for your project and then you cast off. In fact, an I-cord is so easy it's sometimes known as the idiot cord. Are you going to give this a go? Hope this has inspired you. It's inspired